We out here at Cars and Coffee, El Dorado Hills. See what they got going on. Classic Ford. Wow. Beautiful. This Aston Martin, one of 300 worldwide. Look at that color.
Cool. I was just telling him back in Wisconsin. Oh yeah, because he's from Wisconsin. I still live in Wisconsin. We don't really have any fancy cars like this guy. Probably because of the weather. It's got a rack on top. Yeah, I gotta stay over here with my kids. But all right, hey, it was nice to meet you. Yeah, take care. All right.
Wow. Hellcat, wide body. This is LSA Chevelle again. I never get enough of this thing. Red eye. Wow. The Prowler. You don't see these too often. The two C8s with the doors up. Z06. Thing is beautiful. People rolling out already. Beautiful Bel Air. Man, Chevelle. Bel Air, Nomad. Man, this thing is sweet. Wow. What is that thing? That thing is way cool. This beautiful Impala.
I bought mine in 2015 and I haven't seen it last year.
What is this? Volvo?
You can't charge it. Lucid, Ford, and I can go to Tesla now. I bought the adapter.
Beautiful. Oh my gosh. Buick Wildcat.
Yeah.
Love that green.
but it's a pretty cool car.
GT350. I'm assuming this is a wrap, half blue, half red. You got the American flag Cobra logo. That is sick. Red pill, blue pill. Oh, and it's got stars in the stripes. I don't know if the camera can pick that up, but there's stars indented in there. Wow. Holy crap. Continental?
You have pretty big back seat. Like, you have the leather.
Wow.
Yeah. Taking off the headroom.
This thing is sick. And look what's hiding over here. Wide body, Hellcat. This is S560.
Yeah.
Damn. That thing is nice. Red stain. Love that red. Oh, you got really nice seats in there. Got another Mustang. And another one. Supra. Supra. White one. What, a GT500? Beautiful. It's all stock again. Ooh, that Z06, he chopping. With the gap stick on the back. Yeah, he dope. Grand Sport, but looking nice. Stands very nicely. Convertible. 396. Oh man, that is sweet. 944. Carrera 4S. Leo, this one's for you. AMG GT. Another Mustang. More Mustangs. Camaros.